Hi guys, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel. Oil jumps 4% of OPES cuts mantra by Bharani Krishnan, investing.com by the rumor and sell the fact eventually that is. Crude price jumps some 4% Monday as buyers plowed into a market where expectations were growing by the day of for production cuts by the enlarged OPES circle. The 13-member Saudi-led organization of the petroleum exporting countries and its 10 oil producing allies steered by Russia will meet on September 5. Almost every country in the 23-strong alliance, except for Saudi Arabia and the UAE Emirates, are producing below quotas now. Yet, avarice seems to be growing within the circle that oil price should receptor the hikes from earlier this year when global crude benchmark Brent was trading as high as $140 a barrel in the aftermath of the Ukraine invasion and US crude stood at almost $1,130. Brent is almost $40 below those peaks and US crude more than $30 lower. The grand plan among OPES less significant members is that cuts be announced at next week's meeting and that the Saudis and Emirates carry those reductions, as has been the norm in the alliance for most of the past 2 years. It's the same story each time, said John Kilduff, partner at New York energy hedge fund Again Capital. Crude price dropped $20 or more a barrel and these OPES guys will be yelling cut when they are producing well below quote. They they all make weather noise they can between now and the next week to try and get the market up as much as possible. My reckoning is by the following week, the price will climb again unless the Saudis and the UAE are willing to cut substantially of what they are producing, said Kiduf. I'm not sure how much of their market share the Saudis and the UAE will want to risk with deep cuts. Unless they do such cuts, market sentiment will probably weaken again as we are entering the seasonally lower demand period for oil. That's when sell on the fact will come. Ed Moya, analyst at online trading platform Wanda, concerned the OPEC will try passing its slack as much as possible for higher price. The supply side risks are too great and prices need to find a home above the $100 a barrel level for producers to get less noisy on price, said Moya. At Monday's settlement, New York trade was Texas Intermediate crude. The benchmark for U.S. crude closed up 3.95 or 4.2% at $97.01 per barrel. WTI rose 2.5% for all of last week, after the previous week's decline of 1.4%. Brent crude, the London trade global benchmark for oil, finished the session up $4.10 or 4.1% last week. Burn jumped 4.4% versus the previous week's slide of 1.5%. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.